Hey guys, welcome back to another advent calendar video. Today I am excited and scared because we have the Lush advent calendar. This is the most, so they had two this year. They had one that was 200 and something, and then they had this one which is like the biggest, most expensive one. This was $355, which is a lot, and I unboxed the other one on my Patreon and I really wasn't too impressed with it, if I'm being honest. So I'm a little bit stressed out about this. And the whole selling point of these advent calendars was that they came with exclusive stuff, and I was missing a lot of my exclusives from my other advent calendar. Sorry if you can hear my kid yelling in the background. He is playing a PlayStation, which I've told him already to be quiet. Let's start. I will say it's absolutely beautiful. It is heavy as anything. Some of the exclusives in here were meant to be candles, and if I do not get my candles I will probably cry, because that was the entire reason I got this calendar. So there you go. Right, so this is how it looks. Absolutely stunning. And then we have a little drawer down here. There's more days in it. So let's just get into it. Okay, day number 1 is here. Ooh, okay. First day, we're starting absolutely strong. We have a perfume and I'm so excited because I've never had a Lush perfume before. This is the All Is Full of Love. Let's give it a spray. A sniff. Ooh, okay. It's really cinnamony. Like, I feel like it's a real, it's real warm, like Christmassy. Really cute. Anyway, that is day number 1, and I'm really happy with that because I feel like we're starting off strong. So, great. Day number 2 is next. Oh, I've got another one of those little cards. I got one of these in the other one I unboxed. This one says, rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by, gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Okay, what is in here? Show you. Okay, cute. So we have the little, I think this is the Sleepy Dragon or Snow Dragon or something like that. Bath bomb, and I love him. It's very nice. It smells really sweet, like lavender. Then day number 3 is over here. Oh, a bottle of something. Cute. This is the, oh, this is leaked. It's okay. It's okay. We persist. This is the Cinders shower gel. I'm pretty sure I've had this one before, possibly. Or maybe I've had a Cinders bath bomb or something. But yeah. It's not really my favourite because it's quite... I feel like it's got a hint of like cherry in it or something. It doesn't say it does, but it smells like it does. And I'm not a cherry girl, so... But yeah, anyway. First shower gel. I'm really happy with the first 3 days so far, which is such a relief because literally the advent calendar was falling apart on day 1 in the other unboxing. So we're starting stronger than last time. Alright, day number 4 is here. Cute, we've got a little soap. This one says Boogie Woogie, I think. Is that what it says? Yeah, Boogie Woogie on it. This is the weirdest smelling thing I've ever smelled. I don't think I like it. Very random smelling. But I'm pretty sure that's the soap. We do have a little booklet which I will go through at the end. I just don't want to go through it right now because it will spoil everything in the calendar. Okay, but anyway, that was day number 4. Day number 5. Oh, cute. We got this one in our last calendar as well. I can't remember what she's called, but... she's a little fairy girl and she smells like Snow Fairy. Or the comforter. What one is it? No, I think she smells like Snow Fairy. Okay. Day number 5, very sweet. Day number 6 is down there. Yeah, we got the little penguin. We also got him in our other advent calendar. Oh, he smells amazing. Day number 7. I love the little confetti, by the way. I think it's so sweet. Not the confetti, what is it? Like the little paper. Okay, we have some Dream Cream body lotion. So exciting. I love Dream Cream. That's real nice. Cute, that smells so good. Alright, day number 8. Oh, I think this is the little magical Santa. Yes it is, it's our little magical Santa. He smells so good. I love him. It's amazing. Okay, day number 9. I think this might be a lip scrub. Feels lip scrubby. It is a lip scrub. Yay! What do we have? Oh, a gingerbread lip scrub. Yay, I'm so excited. I love gingerbread. Oh, yeah. I don't know if it's exactly gingerbready, but whatever it is, it's good. And I'm very excited. Okay, day number 10. Cute, we've got the little candy cane bubble bar, which we also got in our last calendar. He smells amazing. I love him. Day number 11. Ooh, another bottle. What do you know? The cult classic Snow Fairy. And it is. It's so good. So sweet. So delicious. I tell you what though, I have the worst headache. And I think it's because I've been unboxing calendars all day. And yeah, my head is just aching from all the different smells. So day number 12 is next. Oh, I thought there wasn't anything in there for a while. I was like, oh no. But it is. It's just the cutest little candy cane lip butter. How exciting. I've never seen this one before. Oh. He smells so good. Love that. I really, really like that. That's really nice. I want to put it on my lips now, but I do have lipstick on. Okay, last door for this little level is door number 13. It looked like it was a little Santa, but he snapped. Oh, that's a weird scent. I don't know what I think of that one, but I think he was a little Santa because it looks like his little hat has snapped off and he's like crumbling all over the place. Anyway, that was day number 15. Okay, I have to say for the first level, I feel like taking a big breath of relief because yeah, I was really quite disappointed with the last calendar. I don't make money off these videos. I make a tiny bit of money off Patreon, like $20 a month. Obviously I spent like 200 and something on the Lush advent calendar, the last one, and yeah, for it to kind of be a little bit disappointing was a little bit stressful. So yeah, because even though these videos are so much fun to film and to make, and I love posting them, at the end of the day it still is like my money and it's a little bit stressful sometimes. So I'm glad that we had a more successful first level. Now we are going to move on to level 2. I still might be disappointed because we are supposed to have candles in here, so I'm really hoping that they're in this bottom level. I am going to be pretty sad. But anyway, okay, I need to like pull this out. Day number 14 is next. Okay, oh, what is this? We have Jingle Jelly Shower Jelly. Cute, I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Oh, interesting. So he's a little green, slimy cutie. What does it say? Glide the jelly over your body and hair. Use at room temperature, cooled from the fridge or even freezer for the ultimate sweet treat shower. Not only does our tangerine essential oil uplift the senses, it also is a byproduct of the juice industry, making sure nothing goes to waste. Very cute. Love that. Smells really sweet. I've never smelled that one before. Okay, number 15 is next. We have another pot. Oh, this is the Once Upon a Time body lotion. It says a comforting tale of soothed and moisturized skin. Oh, this is the scent of the So White bath bomb. I used to be a bath bomb a couple of years ago at Lush, and it smells like apples and it is so incredible, and I love this lotion so much. Day number 16 is a big one, so I'm really hoping this is a candle. Please. Okay, not a candle. We have the little Rudolph bubble bar. Smells really good. I really feel like we're not going to get our candles and I'm stressing out. But anyway, number 17 is next. I cannot get this out for the life of me. Oh, cute. We have another soap. I reckon this is the Baked Alaska soap. Yep, I think so. It smells like it, so I think so. Day number 18 is next. We have a Sleepy Bubble Bar. Smells so good. Yum yum. Then we have day number 19. Which we have, I think this is called like the Snowdrift Bath Bomb or something. It smells real good. Day number 20. I don't know what this is. I've never seen this before. We'll have to find out what that is when we read the little book. Day number 21. Have another little thing. Oh, this is the Berry Berry Christmas Shower Gel, which I'm really excited about. Oh, that smells so good actually. It says, when the snow is deep and crisp, take a walk in a winter wonderland with this fruity beauty. Okay, day number 22. Cute, I've never seen that. Has something stamped in it. I think it says Twinkle. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but that smells really good. We have day number 23. We have the Lump of Coal Bath Bomb. We did get him in our last calendar. Then we have day number 24. Oh my god. I was so stressed. Yay! We have our candle! Thank God! Okay, so we have the Christmas Eve candle. It says, slow down for a silent night with soothing ylang ylang and uplifting jasmine. And I love it because they give it to us on Christmas Eve. So sweet. Okay. Day number 25 is next. And once again, I've never seen this before. It smells real good though. I don't know what that is. Okay. Let's have a little look in our little book thingy to see what the go is. I also need to have a fan to have a look at what our little exclusives are. So the reason that I was so upset and stressed about this whole candle thing is because when I've noticed with Lush that their gift sets are actually more expensive than buying things singularly. So buying that last advent calendar, it cost me more to buy the advent calendar than it would have to buy everything in it separately. So the reason that it makes it worth buying it is because of the exclusive products in it. So I was missing a fair few of my exclusive products in there, which made, like, I might as well have just bought all the products separately and save myself the money. You know what I mean? Alright, so let's have a quick look. Alright, so the All Is Full of Love fragrance is an exclusive to this advent calendar, so that was the first one we opened. The Cinder Shower Gel is also exclusive to the advent calendar, so is the Boogie Woogie soap. And the Boogie Woogie soap is, oh, it doesn't say what it's meant to be, that's fine. The Jingle Jelly Shower Jelly is also an exclusive. The Twinkle Bath Bomb is also an exclusive. The Fairy Tale Sugar Scrub, I feel like we didn't get that. Oh no, we did. Oh, okay, yeah. That's also exclusive. The Christmas Eve Scented Candle is also exclusive, and the Christmas Morning Bubble Bar is also exclusive. Okay, so let's go through the things that I didn't know what they were called. So this little bath bomb here is one of the exclusive ones, and it's called Twinkle, and here's a bath bomb. It smells incredible. And this little thing here is a bubble bar, and it's called Christmas Morning, so that makes a lot of sense. And yes, that does smell real good. The Boogie Woogie soap is an exclusive. Oh, and this soap is actually the Lord of Misrule soap. I didn't even realise. now that I'm smelling it, it is water pistol. I don't know how I didn't realise that. Obviously we have the candle that was limited, that was exclusive to the calendar. We also have the fairy tale, so that was, where did that go? That thing that I didn't know what it was. This one. This is a sugar scrub and it's called Fairy Tale. Interesting. Good smell. And then we had the Strawberry Santa, if you guys remember the little one where I said he was a little Santa and he had like his hat had snapped off. That is a shower foam. So I am so much more happy with this calendar. Obviously, yeah, so we got everything in this one that we were meant to get, which makes me very happy. I'm just double checking, but yeah, no, we did. So yeah, there was quite a few things in the last calendar. I mean, you'll have to go and watch the video if you want to like see like what I'm talking about, but yeah, I was missing so many of my exclusive products and they just replaced them with products that I can just buy. And yeah, the value, like I'm sure that this one I could probably buy everything in this calendar for cheaper, but it's the fact that it has the exclusive products in it. So but yeah, in that last calendar I was just so disappointed and so upset. It was $240 and that's a lot of money to like kind of be not lied to but misled about what you're actually getting. My calendar, I mean my camera is dying, but yeah, I'm so much happier with this calendar. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. Bye!